So before I start my drawing splash art, I made this rough composition sketch kind of thing. So where everything will be. I mean, clearly you can see it's just stick figure doodle. After that, if you have the IRL that pose doll, you can use that. But I use 3D model pose doll. I just move their arms in 3D model software and stuff for the pose I want, and then I went in and used them as the base for my proportions and stuff. It was, I mean, I was kind of like, I was under pressure, deadline of 25th. I need to finish this piece, so I used all the time saving methods I could, and yeah, I'm putting the perspective grid at the background now, and after that I'll start blocking out the background first, just to have the background and perspective there, so the characters don't look out of place or out of perspective and proportions. Now I'm just blocking out flat colors. Looking at skin tone reference, couldn't find one, so I made one myself. So you can see in this block, it's highlight and shadows. So I'll use that for my skin. Now I just marked out light source direction and then start by adding shadows. Using this, making a wool texture and applying it to the clothes. It just makes work easier instead of going and adding texture everywhere. You can just add it everywhere at once because it's digital. Just by making a texture. Again, making some cloth fold texture and applying it. Since it's the first main character, like the most closest to the camera, I'm slightly adding more details compared to other characters just to make it, look nice, because that it will get the most attention. And now I'm doing the face. Also, many people will get discouraged that, oh, my face isn't looking good. Well, and look at my face right now. It's not looking good, right? But at the start, it's not supposed to look good because it's not finished. You can't expect a uncooked, unbaked cake to look good. You just make the cake and then you put it in the oven and hope for the best, and then it tastes good. Yeah. Same with the drawing. It looks bad when you're while in the process, but then it gets better. As you go rendering and adding details. It just gets better and better.